Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to hear a live cold call of an expired listing that I called. He's an expired of a few months ago. As you're gonna hear on the call, he told me that he's not interested in selling right now and he might gonna consider selling in a few months. I was able to handle the objection, book the appointment and take the listing as well. So let's hear the call right now and also wait until the end so I can kind of like summarize it up for you guys. Hi, my name is Amit. I'm a local realtor. I was calling about your property that came off the market a few months ago, and I was curious if you still want to sell.
Not at this moment, no.
Okay, do you know when you might gonna consider selling?
It could be several months.
In a few months or so. Sure, yeah, definitely. I would love to stay in touch with you around that time and see what is your plans moving forward. And in the same time, I wanted to ask you if you was absolutely confident that the property will sell in today's market, will you consider selling it now versus waiting?
I mean, potentially, but
yeah. So
if someone's only going to offer me $200K for it, no.
Yeah, obviously for a price that will make sense. I would not expect you to sell it for a discount or, like a steal or something. Yeah, so I tell you what, the reason I was calling you is because I specialize in selling properties like yours that came on the market and did not sell. And all I'm proposing is just to show you what I do differently to get properties sold in today's market. Obviously, we're going to also look at to see what will be the highest and best price to get it sold for. If it makes sense for you and you want to work together, great. If no, we can wait for a better time. Would you be available to meet today, let's say around 1:30 or 2 o'clock would be better?
Unfortunately, no. I am out of town.
Okay.
So I won't be in town until Friday, probably. And it may even be in the evening on Friday.
I see. Okay, so can we kind of like pin a time and date for next week and then we can confirm same day? That works for you?
Yeah, I travel for work, so I'm on the road quite a bit. So I'm home for the weekend, and then I'm out again on the road for Monday, Tuesday of the following week. Hopefully, we'll be back at the end of next week.
I see. Okay, and would you be able to do, let's say, a Zoom call, if that will be more easy for you, on Monday or Tuesday? Or even if you want, Sundays for me is okay as well, if it's good for you.
We could do something on... Maybe we could do something on Sunday.
Sunday. Okay. What do you think would be a good time for you Sunday? So Sunday you say you're going to be in town or you're not going to be in town?
I will, yes.
You will. Okay, and we'll be able to meet at the property?
Maybe like 10 a.m. on Sunday?
Yeah, we definitely can do that.
Sure. Why not?
Perfect. Yes, so I will put you on my calendar for Sunday on 10 a.m. and I will give you a call same day about like an hour before just to confirm and see if we're still doing it or there's any changes, okay?
Okay, sure.
Perfect. Sounds good. And I will text you also all my information right now because this is my landline. And if you have any questions concerning until then, you can let me know.
Okay, great.
Okay, perfect. Talk to you Sunday. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you all for watching. As you heard from the call, this specific expired was not giving a lot of objection as a typical, but it did give some. I handled the objection, booked for the appointment and took the listing as well. So what I would do after I booked the appointment, I would ask him pre-qualifying questions. And why is that very important? Without pre-qualifying the prospect, you would not want to go on the appointment. And why is that? Because while you booking the appointment, you have a big picture, but when you're doing the pre-qualification, you kind of like seeing the smaller details inside of that big picture, and then you know exactly what you're going into while you're going to the appointment. So pre-qualifying is very, very important. I would never recommend you to go on an appointment without pre-qualifying it before. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys want, I offer training on cold calling, helping agent scale their business, learn how to get listings, expired, cancel, for sale by owners, and also circle prospecting. So if you want some more information, leave me your information or reach out to me in the comments below and I will send you some more information. Thank you and see you at the next video.